At the dentist conversation.
Good morning, John. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Dr. Elena. I'm a bit nervous, to be honest. It's been a while since I last visited a dentist.
That's completely normal, John. Don't worry. We're here to make sure you have a comfortable experience. Let's start by discussing your dental history. Any specific concerns?
Well, I've been experiencing some sensitivity in my lower right molar, and my gums have been bleeding while brushing.
I see. Sensitivity and bleeding gums can indicate several things. During the examination, we'll be able to determine the cause. Now, let's begin with a thorough examination of your teeth and gums. John, your teeth and gums look generally healthy. But I can see some signs of gum inflammation, which may be causing the bleeding. This can be due to plaque buildup.
Oh, I admit I haven't been consistent with my oral hygiene routine as I should be.
It happens to the best of us, John. Regular brushing, flossing, and routine dental visits can help prevent such issues. Now, let's take some X-rays to get a closer look at your teeth. These X-rays will give us a detailed view of your teeth and help us identify any potential underlying issues. While we wait for the results, let's discuss your oral hygiene routine.
Sure, Dr. Elena, I brush twice a day. But I haven't been flossing regularly. I guess I need to make it a habit.
Absolutely, John. Flossing helps remove plaque and food particles from between your teeth, preventing gum disease. It's essential for maintaining good oral health. Remember, John, using a soft bristled toothbrush and gentle circular motions can effectively clean your teeth without causing damage to your gums. And don't forget the importance of replacing your toothbrush every 3 months.
Thank you for the tips, Dr. Elena. I'll definitely incorporate them into my routine.
You're welcome, John. It's all about developing healthy habits. Now, let's take a look at those X-rays and discuss the results. John, the X-rays show some early signs of tooth decay. We'll need to address that to prevent further damage.
What are my options, Dr. Elena?
We can either fill the cavity or consider a dental crown if the decay is extensive. I'll see what is needed after removing the decay. All right, John, after considering the extent of decay, I recommend a dental filling for now. It's a straightforward procedure that will restore the tooth structure and function.
That sounds reasonable, Dr. Elena. When can we schedule the treatment?
Let's see, how about next Tuesday at 2 o'clock?
Is that 2 o'clock in the afternoon?
Yes.
Perfect. I'll mark it in my calendar. Thanks for taking the time to explain everything.
You're welcome, John. It's essential for us to have open communication and for you to feel informed and at ease. We're here to support you in maintaining your oral health.
Thank you, Dr. Elena, for your time.
You're welcome, John. See you soon.